Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Bring a Trailer, the Texas Best Used Motorcycles. We're going to go for a test drive in this beautiful 1958 Volkswagen Convertible. It's got a very nice cover that goes over the convertible top. We're very low on gas, but usually on a Volkswagen, that's not a major concern. I guess we will find out pretty soon here. It's a beautiful evening. Transmission shifts smooth. Clutch engagement is good. The steering is tight. The shock absorbers. I mean, this car is just pretty amazing for 1958. That's fourth gear right there. It actually blocks the wind pretty good. I think the engineering on these cars was just ahead of their time. And I'm told the convertible was built in the Karmann conversion factory in Germany, which is a pretty high-end company, and that's why this has a beautiful headliner. The top goes up and down really nice. It's just a very classy Volkswagen for sure. We're going to go around to a church parking lot. It's about 2 miles down the road, but right now we're just going to enjoy cruising out here in the country. It's like I say, a beautiful evening here in Texas. It's probably 65 degrees. There's first gear. You can see the blinkers working. Speedometer works. And the fuel gauge is probably working. It's showing us we have a quarter of a quarter. We'll get some photographs with the top down. When I rolled the windows down, they all roll down really nice, just like they should. A lot of the parts were refurbished or they're new. And here's fourth gear. This motor is a 1.9 liter, I believe, almost 2 liter. I think they put out about 30 horsepower. I may be wrong on that, but it actually moves the car okay. It kind of brings back memories, so I've spent a lot of time in these Volkswagen Bugs. I got my hands off the steering wheel. Here we can test the brakes. I love the sound the engine makes. It's just kind of you hear that fan kind of whirring, and those little thin, I call them pencil tip exhausts, they kind of have a little whistle to them. We're over here in the church parking lot. Let's get some pictures with the top down before the sun goes down. I'm going to leave it running just so you can see the lights all working. This car is such a gem. It's amazing. The interior is beautiful. The paint is beautiful. You can see the license plate light is working. Tail lights are working. And this door just isn't closed all the way. When the glass is up, these doors really, they just fit really tight. You see the headlights are on. But good luck with your bids. Somebody's going to get a jewel of a Volkswagen. I don't think I've ever seen one any nicer. And this one's pretty rare, being the oval rear window. But again, good luck with your bids. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails.